Hi there, I'm the mother of a proud United States Marine who is currently training at Fort Sill, Oklahoma. My son recently completed his Marine combat training at Camp Pendleton, California, USA, and is now undergoing specialized training for his military occupational specialty, MOS 0811. MOS 0811 is a Field Artillery Cannon crew member. It's a tough and challenging job that requires precision, discipline, and teamwork. My son is learning how to operate and maintain the M142 HIMARS artillery weapons, and the M777A2 Howitzer, as well as how to perform the various duties of a cannon crew member. His training is taking place at Fort Sill, Oklahoma, USA, which is known as the home of field artillery. The training lasts for several weeks, during which my son will receive rigorous instruction and hands-on experience with various artillery weapons. He'll also learn about the history of field artillery, tactics, and the importance of safety procedures. I'm so proud of him for taking on this challenging MOS, military occupational specialties, and working hard to become an expert in his field. Fort Sill, Oklahoma is a United States Army post that is home to the Fire Center of Excellence, which trains soldiers in field artillery, air defense artillery, and missile defense. It's a major training site for the U.S. Army, as well as the Marine Corps and the National Guard. The base covers over 94,000 acres and has state-of-the-art facilities for training soldiers in all aspects of field artillery operations. It's a challenging and demanding environment that prepares soldiers to be ready for combat. As for my son's MOS 0811, it's a critical role within the field artillery community. He's learning how to operate and maintain artillery weapons, ranging from howitzer cannons to rocket launchers. He's also learning how to prepare ammunition, set up firing positions, and communicate with other members of his team. After completing his training at Fort Sill, Oklahoma, my son will be assigned to a unit where he'll continue to hone his skills and perform his duties as an MOS 0811. He'll be responsible for supporting the mission of his unit, which could include providing fire support to ground troops or engaging targets from a distance. The life of a Marine can be challenging, but it's also rewarding. I'm grateful for the sacrifices my son and other service members make every day to keep our country safe. I can't wait to see my son home and give him a big hug. I love him so much. I miss him terribly, but I know he's in good hands and is learning valuable skills that will serve him well throughout his military career. To all the brave men and women who are currently serving in the military, I thank you for your sacrifice and dedication. And to my son, I love you and I'm proud of you. Keep up the good work. Semper Fi. To all the parents, spouses, and loved ones of service members, I want to say thank you for your support and understanding. It's not easy to have a loved one serving in the military, but their service is vital to our nation's security. Let's continue to keep them in our thoughts and prayers. However, if you enjoyed the video and found it informative, please consider sharing it with your friends and family who might also be interested. Thank you.